Find me another wireless mechanical keyboard with a built-in screen for this price. I bet you won't. This is the Aula F98 Pro. It's a creamy wireless mechanical keyboard with RGB shine-through keycaps. This is the black and gray model, and the color options on this keyboard are totally endless. If you love RGB keyboards, then this thing is a beast. You control everything from the screen using this wheel button. It has 19 different color effects, 9 different colors to choose from. You can change the color brightness, the color speed, and even your computer volume, all from this little wheel button and the built-in screen. Here's a little sound test for you. This keyboard has sold out multiple times, so if you've been looking to upgrade your desk setup, hit that link down below and check it out before it sells out again.